headlines. After Sonia green light, Congress and NCP to join Sena-led government in Maharashtra. PCC delegation set to stage protest demonstration at Jantar Mantar. And CRPF Jawan injured in IED blast in Chhattisgarh. Good afternoon, you're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now let's have the news in details. In a late night development, Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray and his MLA son Aditya met NCP President Sharad Pawar in over an hour-long meeting that took place at Nationalist Congress Party Supremo's residence, Silver Oak in South Mumbai. According to media reports, the sudden meeting comes as the Shiv Sena continues its effort to form government in Maharashtra with the support of the NCP and the Congress. The Thackerays called on Pawar, a Rajya Sabha MP, after he arrived in New Delhi yesterday evening. The Shiv Sena's Rajya Sabha member Sanjay Raut also present at the meeting. However, no Congress leader was present at the meeting. The discussions will now move to Mumbai, where the Congress and the NCP will hold deliberations with their other pre-poll allies, Peasants Workers' Party, Samajwadi Party, Swabhimani Paksha and CPIM, and then with the Sena Chavan. Sources say the three parties are likely to make a formal announcement today about joining hands to take a shot at power in the state. Uddhav Thackeray will address a meeting of party MLAs and senior leaders today, during which he is expected to deliberate on the party's line of action in the backdrop of the three main non-BJP parties making efforts to form government in Maharashtra. A delegation of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, led by CLP leader and former Chief Minister O. Ibobi Singh, will sit for a protest demonstration against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 and Naga Accord issue at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi this afternoon, a report said. The team has been camping in the national capital, meeting with leaders of different political parties over the issues surrounding CAB and Indo-Naga talks. The PCC delegation is not happy over not getting appointment with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah despite repeated requests. A CRPF Jawan was injured when a pressure bomb placed by Naxals went off in Chhattisgarh's insurgency hit Bijapur district this morning. According to media reports, the incident took place early morning near Tarim village under Basaguda police station when a team of CRPF's 168 Battalion was out on an area domination operation, while the patrolling team was cordoning off a forest near Tarim, 450 kilometers from the state capital Raipur. A paramilitary Jawan inadvertently stepped over the pressure IED connection, triggering the blast that left him injured. The injured constable Munna Kumar was shifted to a local hospital and a combing operation was underway in the area. 21-year-old Manipuri cyclist G. Ingobi Chingtham, who started off a lone cycle ride to 7 East Asian countries from Kangla in Imphal on August 3 last, reached Singapore yesterday. He was warmly received by one Ronan Akoijam, a Manipuri residing in Singapore. Earlier, during his 220-day long trip, G. Ingobi crossed Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia. G. Ingobi Chingtham is the son of C.H. Ingocha Singh and Chingtham Ongbi Tampak Lema of Sapam Mayai Lekai, Khongom under Thoubal district. G. Ingobi's solo cycle trip carries messages on global integration, Act East policy, women's empowerment, empowerment, climate change, promoting Manipur across the globe, and many more. As per reports, Manipuri diaspora in Singapore is conducting a formal reception ceremony for the cyclist tomorrow. Alongside, they will also extend financial aid to G. Ingobi for his remaining trip. Further, on his way home to Manipur, he will be riding through Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, and Myanmar.
I just wanted to take any color deal. I don't know what the power is shown on this. Cycle Thoracan live, but I'm going to take Cambodia, the flight the Pirani, Cambodia, the game of Vietnam, checking the Laos, Thailand, the Myanmar Lagam, India, Hodor Kadoni, Jetly by live, kilometer 60 only Srinagar 3,800 Katania to Tholak Pamatanda and covered out this more than 5,500 covered total Kanogi Chan covered over.
Let's take a short commercial break, but coming up next, body of Tej Lakshmi finally fished out from Imphal River.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge, 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
Young what?
Soktabadu Ludi.
Wow, the cook never rebalance.
Soktabadu Kong never rebalance. Rebalance have the electrolytes amadi energy. Rebalance.
Welcome back after the break. The body of 5-year-old Tej Lakshmi Moirangthem, who drowned in Imphal River on the evening of November 17 last, was finally found and fished out from the river by a SDRF team this morning after 5 days of search operation. The girl, a resident of Kurai, Lyrik Yengbam Laikai, Imphal, went missing from the maternal home of her mother at Kairang Maning Laikai on 17th of this month while playing with her friends. The search was carried out by a combined team of NDRF and SDRF assisted by locals. The Hill Tribal Council said the Lokchau molestation case has been settled after a negotiation between the victim and 12 Assam Rifles under Kuki customary law, following which a complaint lodged earlier at the Moreh police station in connection with the incident has been withdrawn. English Literary Circle, Manipur, in collaboration with Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, has kicked off a 2-day international conference at Court Hall, Manipur University, Kanchipur today. The conference is held on the theme Interdisciplinary Studies, Redefining Boundaries of Humanities, Science and Social Sciences. Former Vice President of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra Singh, Professor of Department of English, Modern Languages, Independent University, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Ahmed Ahsan Nuzaman, Dean, School of Life Sciences, Manipur University, Professor G.A. Shantibala Devi, Director of College Development Council and Dean of Students' Welfare, Manipur University, T.H. Rantan Kumar Singh attended the opening event. Professor N. Khagendra Singh at the event said that interdisciplinary study is an important topic in the world of knowledge. He added that with the advancement of science and technology, the boundaries between two subjects in education has gradually vanished. Khagendra has also talked about interrelationship between various subjects. All Assam Students' Union, ASU, and 30 other indigenous organizations took out torchlight processions across Assam in protest against the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill last evening. According to media reports in Guwahati, hundreds of AASU and other indigenous organizations' workers, supporters took part in the protest processions and shouted slogans against the Bharatiya Janata Party-led union government and demanded to scrap the bill. On the other hand, the torchlight processions were also held in Vishwanath, Nagaon and other parts of the state. Guwahati's Khanapara last night witnessed to a burning passenger bus. The night super bus caught fire at around 10:30 p.m. along National Highway 37 in the capital city of Assam. The bus that began its journey towards Tinsukia from Interstate Bus Terminal ISBT in Guwahati caught fire just in front of the Assam Meghalaya police station at Khanapara. Though there were around 40 passengers in the bus during the time of the incident, however, no one was hurt. But there was quite a commotion among the passengers at the time of the inferno. Police suspect that the bus caught fire due to electric short circuit. The bus was completely ravaged in the fire. Later, 5 tenders managed to douse the fire after half an hour operation. The bus bore the registration number AS06BC3477. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabo loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabo.
Welcome back. The Ministry of Home Affairs wanted proposal from the state to strengthen the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. The State Cabinet has sent 7 proposals to the MHA. The State Cabinet has also decided to strengthen the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council. The Cabinet approved the proposals also. According to media reports, the government had demanded not more than 50 seats in the ADC, while 6 members shall be nominated. Out of them, 3 are reserved for women, and 3 of them should be nominated from the unrepresented tribals among 19 tribes in Tripura. Now the TTAADC has 28 seats and 2 are being nominated by the government. The government also proposed to change the name of TTAADC. Days after reopening their shops and resuming their routine, shopkeepers in Srinagar's main markets like Polo View, Lal Chowk, Hari Singh High Street, Bori Kadal, Maharaj Gunj, Karanagar, Hawal and Naushera shut shops again in the morning. According to sources, Srinagar has witnessed incidents of arson and mild sporadic incidents of stone pelting at Hawal and Saraf Kadal, among others. 3 jewellery shops, a private vehicle and 3 handcrafts were set on fire by unknown persons in Srinagar's Bori Kadal, Nawa Kadal and Saura areas. 2.5 months after talks between the US and Taliban collapsed, US Deputy Assistant Secretary for Afghanistan Nancy Jackson said a political settlement in Afghanistan did not mean that the violence would cease. According to media reports, Nancy Jackson at a conference on the India-Afghanistan relationship at the Hudson Institute, Washington, D.C., has said that no one should be under any illusion that a political settlement will immediately mean an end to violence. She also added the United States, India, and Afghanistan had all suffered from terrorism and were determined to stop it. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was indicted yesterday in a series of corruption cases, throwing Israel's paralyzed political system into further disarray and threatening his 10-year grip on power. He rejected calls to resign, angrily accusing prosecutors of staging an attempted coup. The first ever charges against a sitting Israeli Prime Minister grabbed a 3-year investigation, with Attorney General Avichai Mandelblit indicting Netanyahu for fraud, breach of trust, and accepting bribes. The indictment does not require the 70-year-old Netanyahu to resign, but it significantly weakens him at a time when Israel's political parties appear to be limping toward a third election in under a year. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Australian openers David Warner and Joe Burns dominated the Pakistan attack despite a fiery debut from 16-year-old Naseem Shah to put Australia in a strong position at lunch on the second day in the first test today at Gabba Ground in Brisbane, Australia. As per media reports, Australia were 100 for no wickets at the break in reply to Pakistan's first innings total of 240. Warner, who endured a miserable Ashes tour of England earlier this year, was on 52 while Burns was not out 41. Canada booked the semi-final berth of the Davis Cup as Denis Shapovalov and Vasek Pospisil sent Australia packing as Alex de Minaur's singles victory proved fruitless in the first Davis Cup quarter-final. As per media reports, with Pospisil defeating John Millman 7-6, 6-4 in the opening match, Australia relied on a comeback from de Minaur, but the Canadians were too good in the doubles. Serbia will face Russia, Argentina faces Spain, and Great Britain goes up against Germany in the other quarter-final ties today. Now let's take a look at the local newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle. Kokomi government meet fails to bring consensus. Public still doubts centre's assurance. Agitation to continue, says Sunil Karam. Manpack welcomes NRC, opposes CAB. GOC Spare Corps meets Chief Minister. CLP team meets DMK leader, no debt with Prime Minister, Home Minister. Tourism Director urged to cancel Sangai Festival. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister Kokomi meeting ends in deadlock. Movement to continue till demands are fulfilled. Government carrying out misinformation campaign on CAB alleges Manpack. Court remands smuggling accused policemen to judicial custody. Fagokta strike disrupts academic routine in colleges. The Morning Bell. NSCN-IM leaders camping in China. Peace talks aside, Outfit 6 help to renew fight, says sources. NRC downward trend to religious freedom, says US Commission. Amit Shah slammed for statement on NRC. GOC Spare Corps visits Manipur.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. After Sonia green-light Congress and NCP to join Sena-led government in Maharashtra. PCC delegation set to stage protest demonstration at Jantar Mantar. And CRPF Jawan injured in IED blast in Chhattisgarh. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.